Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Father Son Chronicles. Today I'm here with a different video. I know you guys will have many problems on memorizing the CBSE physics formulas for classes 9 and 10. So that is why me and my father have designed this web tool so that you can easily memorize these and you can get better results in your exam.
Welcome to our channel, students. So as you can see, here is our web tool, whatever we design here. So here you will get the filter options. You can search using your class, whether you are in class 9 or class 10. There is a filter options we have provided. Also we have provided filter option for the chapter wise. So if you can choose chapter electricity and for the class 9, then you will see all the necessary physics formulas for the class 9. And suppose if you want to choose like sounds for the class 9, then you can filter whatever you want, right? So that's the option we have provided for each and every physics formula, whatever necessary for the class 9 and 10 student. We have covered all chapter wise. Even we have provided the search option. Here you can give a direct search, like
you can search a topic and then you will find like the topic related to your search. Like for example, you search speed, you will find speed or wave speed. And we have made these variables here so that you can understand what all of these variables mean. Like for example, there is speed, which is rate of motion, etc. We have also made a summary so that you can you can memorize it better, you can understand it better. We have provided examples as well. You can justify this.
Also, you have provided the
visuals.
Like suppose there is, we know, right? If you make the distance as a constant, and if you increase the speed, right, you will see that velocity or speed will decrease. So that's why you will get a visual effect, right? How this formula is.
You will get a visual representation on how like these formulas work.
Right. That's the thing. Actually, this is our objective. So you can understand not the theoretically, not only the formula, but as sometimes you can visualize the thing.
You can understand it practically as well.
Right. So for that we have provided all the physics formulas. And also after this video we are going to provide this URL in the description portion, and try to access the URL that is the publicly available. That URL, you guys can access that URL publicly, and you can download this web app. You just don't need to do anything, just you need to open the browser and the copy paste this URL. That's it. You are able to access this. This is a public URL. Also we have provided install button. Using install button you can install this web tool on your desktop. So I repeat, using install button you can easily install this web tool on your desktop. No need to open the URL repeatedly. Another thing is that since I am opening through this Edge browser, so we have our install options, and if you open the Google Chrome browser, then there is a option to open the app. So this option you will get while using this web tool.
Yeah, so that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till then, see you next time.